Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple but super useful trick on Telegram: how to edit the name of a folder. Whether you're organizing your chats, grouping your favorite channels, or just want to tidy up, this quick update will help you rename your folders in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and stay on the main chat screen. You'll see all your chat folders at the top, like work, family, or favorites. Now, find the folder that you want to rename. To do that, simply long press on it. Hold your finger down just for a moment, and you'll see a small menu pop up with a few different options. From there, tap on the option that says Edit Folder. This is where the magic happens. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to a screen that shows all the current settings for that folder, the name, included chats, and more. But for now, we're focusing on the name. Next, tap on the folder name field and enter your new name. It can be anything you like, something more personal, cleaner, or just easier to find. Type it carefully, and once you're happy with it, hit the Confirm button to save your changes. That's it. Your folder now has a brand new name. You can go back to your chat screen, and you'll see the updated title right at the top. It's a small change, but it helps you keep things neat, especially if you use Telegram regularly for work, communities, or personal chats. So next time you feel your Telegram folders could use a refresh, just remember these quick steps. Open Telegram, long press on the folder, tap Edit, enter your new name, and confirm. Thanks for watching.